Welcome to Learning with Lisa. It's time to practice another sound. Here are your 3 clues for today. Octopus, ostrich, otter. Say them with me this time. Octopus, ostrich, otter. All these things start with the sound O. Today's new sound is O. O for octopus. O, octopus. O for ostrich. O, ostrich. O for otter. O, otter. Let's practice saying O. Can you say O in a happy voice? O. Can you say O in a sad voice? O. Let's do some sorting. Look at my pictures. I have some orange, ox, lorry, book, oblong. Give me a thumbs up if they start with the sound O and a thumbs down if they don't. Ready? Orange. Yes, that starts with an O. O is for orange. Ox. Ox starts with an O as well. O is for ox. Lorry. So that's a thumbs down. It's not an orry, it's a lorry. Book. So that's a thumbs down too. It's not an ock, it's a book. Oblong. That's right, O is for oblong. Orange, oblong and ox all start with the sound O. Let's practice writing O. Watch me first. Now it's your turn to practice writing O in the air. Use your magic finger to copy the dots. Ready? Well done. It's time to do some counting. How many ostrich eggs have O on them? You might want to pause the video to count. Let's check to see if you were right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ostrich eggs with O on them. Today we practice the initial sound O. There are lots more sounds to practice. Keep a lookout for my other videos. Bye!